Hi, welcome to Tristan's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook fried chicken, which I absolutely love. I learned this from watching Good Morning America. It has simple ingredients and is very easy to make. The ingredients you need are potato chips, corn flakes, saltine crackers, salt, pepper, flour, egg, of course the chicken. Chicken breast is what I use, but since chicken tenderloin was on sale, I can use that too. You've got to be flexible and money-wise. First, mix the ingredients of the breading in a bowl. That was the potato chips. Now add the crackers. Now add the cornflakes. Mash them all with your hands or with a mallet. This will be your breading. It's going to look like this. Make sure your breast meat is cut thinly. Or you can use a mallet to make it tender. Season it with salt and pepper before coating. This is the order of coating the chicken with the breading. Flour, eggs, and the batter. Coat it with flour. Coat it with egg, and then coat it with the batter, and then put it in the hot frying pan. Flip the chicken after 2 minutes. When it's ready and brown, put it on a plate with a paper towel to drain. Next one. And the next one. And voila! Fried chicken. Let's have a taste. This is good. We can make our own gravy, but that's for another video. Thank you for watching and tune in for more at Tristan's Kitchen.